Hello बच्चों, let us read the question. A series LCR circuit is connected to a 45 sine omega t volt source. The resonant angular frequency of the circuit is 10 to the power of 5 radians per second and current amplitude at resonance is I naught. When the angular frequency of the source is omega, small omega is equal to 8 into 10 to the power of 4 radians per second. The current amplitude in the circuit is 0.05 I naught. If L is equal to 50 millihenry, match entry list 1 with an appropriate value from list 2 and choose the correct option. List 1, P I naught in milliamp, Q the quality factor of the circuit, R the bandwidth of the circuit in radians per second, S the peak power dissipated at resonance in watt. List 2, 1 44.4, 2 18, 3 400, 4 2000, 250, 5 500. Or given options are option A, P is matched to 2, Q to 3, R to 5, S to 1. Option B, P is matched to 3, Q to 1, R to 4, S to 2. Option C, P is matched to 4, Q to 5, R to 3, S to 1. Option D, P is matched to 4, Q to 2, R to 1, S to 5. तो इस क्वेश्चन का की कॉन्सेप्ट है सीरीज एलसीआर सर्क्यूट इन एसी. तो जब भी एक एलसीआर सर्क्यूट एसी में AC source के साथ connect होता है, then we can define the following quantities. तो what is the current in this circuit? So यहाँ पे current has unique direction और वो negative flows from negative to positive terminal, negative terminal to positive terminal. Second, we can define what is called as quality factor. तो what is quality factor of the LCR circuit? वो है the ratio of voltage. तो ratio of voltage across the inductor or capacitor as compared to the applied voltage. तो ये रेशियो क्या जो भी वैल्यू आएगा इस रेशियो से this will be the quality factor, which is a dimensionless quantity. तो तीसरा है bandwidth of the LCR circuit. तो क्योंकि this is sitting with an alternating source, AC source, तो एक frequency होता है at which the maximum power is reduced by half. ऐसे कहीं frequencies होते हैं. So the difference between two half frequency, so जिस frequency पे power half the value होता है उसको half frequency कहते हैं. तो ऐसे दो frequencies होते हैं at which the power will reduce to half the value. So the difference between the two half frequencies, between the two half frequencies of the circuit. तो इसको हम bandwidth कहते हैं. And the other quantity which we can talk about is called as the peak power. अब क्योंकि ये एक oscillatory current है, so it will have a maximum value and therefore we can say the maximum power delivered in each cycle or in one cycle उसको पीक पावर कहते हैं in each cycle. So this is, since this is an uh, oscillatory current source, तो power भी ज़्यादा एक maximum पे आता है, फिर it will go down and then again it will rise and go down. So it is, the power also will have an oscillatory nature to it. तो maximum power को हम peak power कहते हैं. तो इस क्वेश्चन को आंसर करने के लिए पहले जो डिटेल्स क्वेश्चन में दिए हैं उसको हम नोट करेंगे. उसके बाद एक एक जो यहाँ पे की कॉन्सेप्ट में हम क्वांटिटीज डिफाइन किए हैं उसको हम कैलकुलेट करके वी विल मैच द लिस्ट. So let us start by making a note of what is given. Given the voltage is given as 45 sin omega t volts. तो इससे we can say that the amplitude is 45 volts and the resonant frequency of the circuit. So resonant frequency को हम कैपिटल ओमेगा आर से डिनोट करेंगे. उसका वैल्यू दिए है 10 to the power of 5 रेडियंस पर सेकेंड. resonant current IR उसका नोटेशन दिए है एज I नॉट. And then omega, which is the frequency of the source. So they say that frequency of the source उसका वैल्यू दिए है. तो frequency of the source we will denote by small omega. It is given to be 8 into 10 to the power of 4 radians per second. So current at this value of the source frequency, तो उसको current at omega, so we will call that I omega, that is given to be 0.05 I naught. और इंडक्टेंस का वैल्यू L उसको 50 मिली हेनरी दिए है, विच इज 50 into 10 to the power of -3 हेनरी. So पहले we will say at resonance so we have omega r into L is equal to 1 by omega r into C. This is the criteria at resonance. So जब frequency of the circuit resonant frequency होता है, this is the balancing equation. So we can say omega r squared is equal to 1 by LC, या फिर we can say C is equal to, अभी कैपेसिटेंस कैलकुलेट कर सकते हैं as 1 by L into omega r squared. तो अभी वैल्यूज सब्स्टिट्यूट करेंगे. So C is equal to 1 by 10 to the power of 5 whole squared into 50 into 10 to the power of -3. तो इससे हमें कैपेसिटेंस का वैल्यू मिलेगा 2 into 10 to the power of -9 farad. Now we can define what is the inductive reactance. So inductive reactance जो कि XL है, दैट इज ओमेगा इंटू एल, तो उसका वैल्यू हमें मिलेगा. सो वी नो ओमेगा इज गिवन टू बी 8 इंटू 10 टू द पावर ऑफ 4 और एल का वैल्यू है 50 मिली हेनरी. सो देयरफॉर XL comes out to be 4000 ohms. अभी उसी तरह से we can calculate capacitive reactance. Capacitive reactance XC is equal to 1 over omega C. तो हमें कैपेसिटेंस का वैल्यू प्रीवियस स्टेप में मिला है. So we will calculate this as 1 by 8 into 10 to the power of 4 into 2 into 10 to the power of minus 9. तो XC का वैल्यू अभी आ रहा है as 6250 ohms. So now we can calculate the total net reactance, net so we can say the net reactance will be XC minus XL जो कि है 6250 minus 4000. So we get X as 2250. Abhi we will look at the impedance. So at omega equal to 8 into 10 to the power of 4 रेडियंस पर सेकेंड हम लिख सकते हैं कि 0.05 I नॉट is equal to the voltage divided by the impedance. So I naught can be written as V by R, where R is the resistance. So we have 0.05 V naught, ये है V naught, ये भी V naught, V naught by R is equal to V naught by Z, where Z is the impedance. तो अभी हम V naught cancel कर सकते हैं. So we will therefore have impedance को हम लिख सकते हैं as R by 0.05 या फिर the impedance is equal to 20 times R. तो impedance is equal to square root of R squared plus X squared. So substitute करेंगे. So taking Z squared, we will get this as R squared plus X squared. So यहाँ पे Z squared is equal to 20 squared R squared. So R squared plus X squared is equal to 400 R squared. या फिर हम लिख सकते हैं कि R squared into 399 is equal to X squared. या फिर R is equal to X divided by root of 399. तो हमें टोटल रिएक्टेंस का वैल्यू मिला है 2250 ohms divided by root 399. So we get R as equal to 112.6 ohms. So this is the resistance of the circuit. तो अभी हम we will calculate what is the value of the current through the resistor, वो होगा V0 by R, which is 45 divided by 112.6. इसका वैल्यू आता है 0.399 amperes. So we can actually say I0 is approximately 400 milliamp. तो अभी Q factor, we have Q factor as omega R. This is the, ये है resonant frequency into L divided by R. तो this is equal to 10 to the power of 5 into 50 into 10 to the power of minus 3 divided by 112.6. तो Q factor का वैल्यू आता है 44.4. अभी third, we will calculate what is the bandwidth. The bandwidth B, that उसका expression है R by L. So here we can see that the Q factor is actually nothing but the resonant frequency divided by the bandwidth. So this is equal to 112.6 divided by 50 into 10 to the power of minus 3. तो bandwidth का value आ रहा है 2252 रेडियंस पर सेकेंड. और आखिरी में हम पीक पावर कैलकुलेट करेंगे. पीक पावर P max is given by V0 squared by R. तो ये है 45 squared divided by 112.6. तो इसका वैल्यू हमें आ रहा है 17.98 watts. So we can approximate this to be about 18 watt. तो अभी हम क्वेश्चन पे जाके करेक्ट ऑप्शंस को, लिस्ट को मैच करके करेक्ट ऑप्शन मार्क कर सकते हैं. So I0 in milliamp comes out to be 400. So P is matched to 3. The quality factor of the circuit is, उसका वैल्यू हमें मिला 44.4. So Q is matched to 1. Bandwidth of the circuit in radians per second, we got the value to be 2252. तो यहाँ पे दिए है 2250. So R is matched to 4. The peak power dissipated at resonance in watt, उसका वैल्यू हमें मिला S 18 watt approximately. So S is matched to 2. So the correct option which matches list 1 to list 2 is P is matched to 3, Q is matched to 1, R is matched to 4, and S is matched to 2. So the correct option is option B. Hope you have understood it well. Best of luck.